Hey, mess maker. No, you can't have this. No. Video camera. Oh, I love you too. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? I can't pick you up while I'm filming you. Where's Daddy? I think it's bedtime. Will you come help her into the stroller? I think the dress is posing a problem. Maybe not. Maybe it's bedtime that's posing the problem.
Well, now what? You can't push yourself? Maggie. What's that?
Get her, Maggie. Get her, Maggie.
Murphy, what's that? Murphy, right here. What's that? What's that? Murphy. Hey, what's that? Lee? What's that? Maggie.
I'm sure she's got pizza sauce all over her face.
Maggie. Maggie, right here.
Children don't have to work. Now, if they would just pass the little white-guy labor laws, I wouldn't work either. If you call this, I would spend my days playing like these people.
She get you. She's gonna show you how it's done. I think so. Yeah, it's almost 8:30. We need to give her a bath. Come on, Devin, it's time for bed. Oh, are you going to do the potty book? I don't think you can do it with your foot. You have to push it. Say goodnight. You going to wave to the camera? You going to wave? Wave to Mommy. Show me your belly. Where's your belly? Where's your belly? Good job.